My name is Regan and I'm going to show you how to cut a window into a solid exterior door. First of all, take the door out of the door frame. Just undo the screws on the hinges. Leave the hinges on the door. Put the door on some sawhorses. You mark where you want to go with a pencil, which is the line of where the panels are. You can go a little bit wider because you do have a bit of room because the flange will cover your cuts. I put tape around the outside so that when I use my saw I don't scratch the paint. The windows come in standard sizes. They generally fit most exterior doors, so just pick which window you want, whether it's a opening one, obscure glass, or one like the one I purchased here where it's clear with some bars in it. Make sure you wear hearing protection because it is really loud, and safety goggles. Now that you've done the cutting, what we need to do is grab a metal blade for your sawzall and cut the corners. Next, grab a file, get rid of those rough edges. Nothing too crazy, just enough to make it easier for install and prevent any accidental cuts. Now that you've got this file down, you have to make sure that you have the right size opening so everything dry fits perfectly. One thing you have to make sure that you remember is that you need to have the window flange with the screw holes on the inside. So in this case I put the exterior side down of the door and then I place the window on that side, and now what I'm going to do is put the screws in so that the screws face inside, just for aesthetic reasons and less of a chance of water and stuff getting in. Now that your window's in, you just have to make sure it's nice and square and even with the edge of the door. So now your window is in. When you tighten those screws, there's a seal on the inside that comes with the window that makes sure that there's going to be no moisture or air coming through there. So the next step will be to hang the door and put the door handles back on, and we'll have a finished product. So now we've got the door back installed. You can put these little screw covers in that come with the door glass, and you got to kind of push them in using a screwdriver or something that's not too sharp, but they do eventually get in there. They're very difficult to get out, so make sure you're ready to put them in. You don't need to adjust the window or anything like that. And there you have it. Now you have a nice big window in your door, letting lots of light in. Simple to do, always adds value.